Progress is driven by mutations. Useful mutations. In addition to useful ones, there are also useless and downright harmful ones. In this article we will talk about such mutation as two-headedness in snakes. It is said to be more and more common in snakes. Did there used to be two-headed snakes? Most likely, yes. We know that many myths were based on some real events and phenomena. For example, swarming sirens, as a rule, were those rocks around which the current did not converge in the best way, or there was some other danger. Ships did crash, but no one knew exactly why. And so legends of creatures with a beautiful voice luring sailors into a death trap were born. We can assume that once two-headed snakes served as a prototype of the serpent Goranik and Hydra. But this is not certain. What are the reasons for the appearance of two-headedness? The first reason, as we have already hinted, lies in genetic mutation. But why these mutations occur is not really known yet. They say that two-headed snakes are usually observed in dirty countries, in Africa and in the southeast. Thus, the reason could be a bad ecological situation. The second reason is an error in the division of identical twins. A creature born undivided until the end is called Siamese twins. This phenomenon occurs in many animals, including humans. The third reason is information connection and graphic editors. Yes, this sudden point has a place. No matter what, we can't judge whether two-headed snakes more often appear, since now, compared to even the 2000s, more people have the opportunity to tell the world about their find. As for graphic editors, despite the existence of real two-headed snakes, you can often come across photoshopped images. Often they are distributed by large pages in social networks. The costs of the age of information technology. What can you do? Interesting, mutations appear in all currently existing species in different forms. Humans, for example, sometimes have such an abnormality as two hearts. Moreover, it is said that a system of two hearts works more efficiently than one. Who knows? Maybe we are watching evolution at work. In essence, each head is a separate individual with its own brains and outlook on life. Everything else is purely individual. Some have organs divided almost in half, some have one snake controlling most of their body, while the other serves as a passive adjunct. Mutants have one digestive system for two, while undivided twins have separate digestive systems. There is nothing to talk about the sexual system. There have been observed cases where the monster was a fusion of male and female, but such unnatural creatures are usually sterile, so to speak, have no problems with orientation. Interesting, it is believed that in reptiles two-headedness appears more often than in other animals. In general, such creatures live, as a rule, not long. In addition to the less efficient distribution of resources, the reason for this is the inability of snakes to agree on where to crawl. Two creatures can be aggressive towards each other and periodically attack each other. In nature, very quickly one snake becomes the dominant and the other passively follows the first. This slightly increases the creature's chances of survival, but the snakes still have a tough time. These animals live best in zoos and laboratories, where they don't have to find food and are protected from predators. In the St. Louis Zoo, rat snakes with the talking name, We, lived 8 years, becoming the record holder for the longest lifespan of any two-headed snake. After we died, a stuffed animal was made of them. Incidentally, we had both female and male reproductive organs. We tried to crossbreed with another two-headed snake, but it failed. So, we have told you about the amazing animals created by mistake or a strange idea of nature. We hope that the article was interesting for you.